Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening VLC and loading the video plus its subtitle file. You need both available locally so VLC can sync them. Once done, tap the screen, choose the subtitle menu, and select the external SRT or AS file. This attaches text to playback. Make sure auto detect is off if VLC loads the wrong track, because manual selection gives you control. This first step is crucial. If the files are mismatched, no sync will work properly. You now sync timestamps by using VLC's subtitle delay control during playback. This changes timing in small increments so you can match lip movement. Play a clear line of dialogue, press the delay minus or plus until the text lines up with the actor's mouth, and listen for any echo or missing words. Because iPhone controls are compact, take short repeated adjustments and watch a few seconds after each change to confirm. Keep track of the exact MS offset so you can reapply if needed. You finish by saving or making a corrected subtitle file. If VLC allows exporting the offset, save it, otherwise rename and re-import an edited SRT with shifted timestamps. Then watch several scenes at normal speed to ensure consistent sync across the file, because offsets can drift with different frame rates. If problems persist, transfer the video and subtitle to a desktop and shift timestamps with a subtitle editor. This fixes frame rate mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.